Hey everybody, so today I just wanted to share open source tool with everyone. So this is going to be a library for working with WebP images in LabVIEW. So if you don't know what WebP images are, essentially this is a image standard created by Google. It's meant especially for working with stuff on the internet, so it's a very good compression format, so better than PNG. But one of the cool things is you can still have transparent backgrounds like you can with a PNG. It can handle animations, so similar to GIFs, but much more compressed. So yeah, has some cool advantages. One of the things in LabVIEW though is you cannot really work with these image files. The native graphics functions don't support WebP. So I've put together just like a simple library, so you can basically interact with WebP images. So Google, like I said, is the one who created the WebP format. They also released a bunch of binaries for working with WebP images. And so this LabVIEW library is essentially a wrapper for those Google precompiled binaries. So just going to kind of demo first kind of some of the stuff you can do. So here I can select a WebP image. So let's go here. So I have this example WebP. So it's going to take just a sec, but I'm able to then load this WebP image into just a 2D picture control. It also retrieves some info about the image, so I can see like the width and height, and I can also see the quality factor of that image. From there, I can, for example, well, first I'll show you this pop-out. So it also includes kind of a dedicated viewer for WebP images. So it'll pop up this guy. There's a few little tools you can kind of use with this, some keyboard shortcuts. Those are all available on the Google website. I also can convert that WebP image to another image format. Converted image, and it supports a few different formats. It will if you specify the format, it will base what it does around that. And if you've picked an unselected format, it defaults to PNG. So yeah, I can open this up. You can see I was successfully able to convert that to a PNG. Here's the, you can see photos actually can't load WebP images. But if I open this with like Chrome or something, I can. So let's do like a open with Chrome, just so you can see that this actually is a WebP image that I'm converting. Yeah, there you go. Another thing you can do is convert GIFs to WebPs. So I have this example GIF here. Let's go convert that, and it's going to open this up here. So it's just going to create a WebP with the same name as my GIF. So let's go open this up in Chrome. Yeah, you can see my animation. This isn't actually a GIF, it is a WebP file. So you can convert your GIFs right to WebP. You have much better compression, etc. So yeah, so that's kind of high level some of the stuff you can do with this. Just wanted to show a little bit of the block diagram here. So there's just a few simple functions you can use. For example, for converting a GIF to a web page, there's just this GIF to web page, where you can pass in the web page and the GIF. If you leave the web page disconnected, then it's just going to default to using the same name as the GIF, just with the WebP extension. So pretty simple. You can kind of just drag and drop that in. When I'm loading an image, so I'm selecting a WebP image, I'm actually converting that WebP to a PNG, and that's what I'm actually displaying in the 2D picture control. But I also have this WebP info and quality factor. So this is reading information about that WebP image. For convert, I'm just using that WebP to pick, so I can select the file and convert that to PNG or bitmap or whatever. There's quite a few different supported formats. The pop out, I'm just calling this a view WebP function, which will just load your image for you. in that little pop-up window. And that's pretty much it. So there's a few different functions, like I said. I can pull this up. We have a GIF to web page, get web page, or GIF to WebP, get WebP quality, WebP to image, view WebP file, image to WebP. So you can also convert backwards. So if I have a PNG or something and I want to convert that to WebP, I can, and get WebP info. And also here in bin is the actual binaries that Google provides. So all of this, if you're interested, is available. The link to this repository is in the description of the video. And that includes the LabVIEW code as well as the binaries. So if you're interested in playing around with this yourself, feel free to just download that code and use it however you want. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in.
Canon Controls is your gateway to mastering LabVIEW. Dive into programming for data acquisition, industrial communications, and manufacturing automation. Explore how to enhance your projects with cybersecurity best practices. Join the journey to elevate your skills and secure your systems with every episode.